Get paid $450 performing simple tasks. Step 1. Click on the links in the description below. Step 2. Sign up and verify your email address. Step 3. Start performing simple tasks. And step 4. Don't forget to please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Welcome back to this channel, and on today's topic is about to earn $450 performing simple tasks per day. So stick with me to the end of this video so as to really follow the steps on how to go about to earn this $450. My name is Tumbewa Godlove. I create content on YouTube on how to make money online. I'm a graphics designer. Right now, there is a free graphics design certification training that I'm offering that is starting on the 7th of February 2022. The link to sign up to that free graphics design training, if you are interested, is in the description of this video. So without set aside, let's go directly to the first site. And here is the first website, Rapid Workers. Again, I'm already signed in. As you can see, this is my name here, Tumbewa Godlove. I'll just refresh everything. All right, with everything being refreshed, you look up here, you want to notice my balance. Since this account is again for training purpose, balance, the number of tasks I've done so far, just 2. Success rate 100%. That is, the people were satisfied 100%. Now, for you not to overrun yourself here, the thing you want to just do here is to type YouTube and you press enter. So they are going to filter out everything that concerns YouTube and show you. Now on this particular one, you just want to open anything that concerns watch, like, and share. So I'll right click on it and open in a new tab. Now when you open it, you are going to get the instruction. You read through the instructions and they'll say click through this link. I'll just do one of the tasks. Click through the link, scroll down to the latest post, which looks like. So you really need to follow the instructions to do the task well and earn the money. While the link is loading, they say scroll down to the latest post, which looks like. I have to copy this one to paste it in a new tab to see how it looks like. Then they say click on the link in the post so that you get redirected to YouTube. Do not click the picture. Watch the video, watch the whole video. You can run it in the background. Very important. I will check if the right watch time. If you skip, you will not get paid. Important, only hit the like button after 6 minutes have passed. Watch any other video on the channel or on YouTube. Do not quit YouTube right after completing the task. Required, submit your YouTube username, screenshot of the watch page, you watch for 6 minutes, and optional, the comment you make. So this is it. And now, this is one thing that is usually not good at times because the screenshot is being removed. So in this case, I think this is the link here. The screenshot has been removed, but this is the link here that we have been asked to click on to watch on YouTube. So it's a 6 minutes video. Let me just mute it. It's a 6 minutes video of which you can just let it play in the background while you're doing something else until 6 minutes is over. So I'll leave it to play while rereading the instructions. So they say watch the video. You can run it in the background, very important. Only hit the like button after 6 minutes has passed. Watch any other video on the channel and do not quit the channel right after you complete the task. So I think that's basically all. We were not asked to share the video, and it is also optional to comment. Also, what is the pay rate for this is $0.03, and it's something you can do fast. So like the video that we are about to watch here, I paused it. So I will just pause this video and play it when the 6 minutes is passed. Again, that is it at the 6 minutes level. So here now, I'll just pause the video and do a screenshot as it was asked. A screenshot of the 6-minute page, something like this. Now, it is good here for you to use the software called Lightshot, because with Lightshot, you can easily share the link of your image. Like what I've done here, I just copied the screenshot. I'll go to upload to print.com because I want to share it on PyCoWalker. I upload it. That is it uploading. You take note. Now he said do not leave immediately you finish, but watch another video. So what is the name of the channel? Spot Love. You can just come down here. This is another video. Before watching it, I just copy the link of the first image. I paste it there. The first video, paste it here. Come back, click on the second video. Again, allow it to play like some 3 minutes. I'm just forwarding it because I'm just wanting to teach you how you go about the task, but
according to Sky,
you have to play it in the background and allow it to play for the number of times as the client describes or wants. Again, another screenshot here. We'll just do a screenshot here, and I also upload it. So it is advisable, use Lightshot. The software I'm using for screenshot is Lightshot. That enables you to screenshot your desktop and you get the link easily to share. Because I believe if you check here, there is no way they accept pictures. They say if a print screen is asked, use these 3 sites to send print screen. So obviously this is one of the sites that I'm using. So I copy the link of the second video and I paste it. So you need to describe your things to be well. I'll call this video 1, and the second one video. Then my YouTube username, I have to submit my YouTube username, Love Edits. Just copy it quick. Under this, I'll just type user name. That's my YouTube username, and the screenshots. So these are the 2 screenshots. Username, the comment you made optional, so it's not necessary. As soon as I've put all the proof, I just click, I confirm that I have followed the instruction and completed the task. I click it, and they'll say thank you for finishing the job. So highest it will take you just about, the platform may take just about maximum 30 to 1 hour to notify the person who posts this task that you have fulfilled the task. He is going to verify it, and when he verifies it and realizes that it was well done, this money will be automatically paid into your account, and it will be added to this my 0.7 euro. So I usually receive comments of people asking me to do payment proofs, which is one thing I don't like, because at times when I show payment proofs, it's like you're bragging about what you've earned. So I keep my payment proof private. But believe me, all these platforms are legit and they pay. If you take more, if you just spend at least 2 hours per day on these platforms, you make the money. So I just pick any other one. I won't do it again, but just want to show you. Pick any other one. Again, you will see each and every one of them. Always follow the instruction. It will tell you to find this video here. The link is already there. You can click on it directly, or you open it in a new tab. So I just clicked on it directly and it took me to the find this video section. Read through the instruction, do the task, paste your proof here, click, go to the next one, just like that. So if you put more time in this, by the end of the day, you earn more than what was written. You see, there are lots of tags. And as sites for YouTube tags, I just specified in YouTube. You can still cancel YouTube and generalize your niche. Why not? Generalize your niche, go through all the other tags that are there, pick the ones that you know you can do, read through, pick the ones that you know you can do, and do them. But the reason why I specified just YouTube, because it is fast in doing, easy, and the earnings to come quick. That is why I specified on YouTube. Now the second website, which does just the same thing like this one, is FICO workers. So here again, I'll just log in. Again, it's the same step. You have to sign up and verify your email. I've been logged in, and here also you will see I have earned $0.94 pending. I have no pending tax, no pending payment waiting for. You see my tax here, wallet, find a job. Now the same thing I did on the Rapid Workers, the same thing I'll do here too. So the difference between the two of them is that they have different pay rate, and I think FICO Worker is a bit faster and pays higher than Rapid Workers, but at the end of the day, the both of them pay well. So here you have job level. Since you are using a free account, advanced and expert is blocked. So it's normally starter that is active. Category, you want to pick the category of job you want to do. Do you want to do sign up, clicks, data entry, telegram, video marketing, which is the same niche like in Rapid Workers I just did. You pick video marketing, yeah, or any other niche you find favorable for you that you can perform the task. When you pick the niche, I think most of the niche have their subcategories. So if I pick you video, they'll show me the subcategories of videos, watch videos, and all the rest. So at times when you filter and you don't have much tags, cancel the filter, clear the filter so they show you more tags. Yeah. So but most of the time you will go with videos and Facebook tags. Those two pay highly. They pay highly on the two platforms. So just to recap, the first one is Rapid Workers, and you filter out the tags you want to perform. Like I stated, YouTube, yeah, the countries you want. I always leave mine international, but you can specify the particular country where you want to get the various tags from. Here too, the same thing. You can do the filter, job level, starter, but I believe if you sign in as a premium member, you'll be able to access advanced and expert jobs. The difference between them is that here and advanced and expert pay more high than just starter. So you can filter it and concentrate it to locations, Africa, dates of job, payments. Maybe you want jobs for payments as from maybe $0.3 to $0.8. It depends on you. But then I always leave mine like this. I just go through and pick the ones that I want. Bear in mind there are a lot of tags here to perform. If you spend at least 2 hours per site, 2 hours per Rapid Worker and per FICO Worker, believe me, you will earn more than even what I just stated, that this is what I do on a daily basis. This is what I do, and it pays a lot. Again, please, for those always insisting for me to share my earnings, it is personal. I don't like sharing my earnings because some people may say I'm bragging. Some may say it's fraud. But believe me, I gain nothing in showing you websites that are not legit. That will not help you. That will not pay you. So I think that is all. And don't forget to like this video, share it, and please subscribe to the channel for more content. Bye bye, and see you in the next video.